Okay, today let us make a 30-second check on our alternator here. I want to verify if this alternator is working properly. The first thing I've done is setting my multimeter to voltage and then putting the two probes on the positive and negative terminal. The voltage when the car is not on is 11.83 volts. To check if my alternator is working well, I'm going to go crank the car at this voltage. It must increase with time. Okay, let me go start the car. So you see that the alternator has been able to charge the battery, and you can see so my alternator is well and fine.